Hare Krishna. Now I will tell you the story of Krishna collects tax from the gopis. Once Krishna and the cowherd boys were grazing the cows in the forest of Vrindavan. While they were grazing the cows, in between, when Krishna was walking, Krishna saw in a pond there was a beautiful golden lotus flower, and all the honeybees were going around the golden lotus, and they were taking the honey from the golden lotus flower. It was so beautiful. The scene was so beautiful. After seeing, while Krishna was seeing that, he remembered the lotus face of Srimati Radharani, and he told all his friends that, my dear friends, please wait for some time. I will go nearby with Subal for some time, and I will come again quickly. Then all the friends agreed, and with Subal Krishna went to Dhangat, and there he went, and he told Subalda that how can I get the darshan of Srimati Radharani. Then Subal said, don't worry, my dear Kana. Now I have heard that Radharani has come to Vrindavan to meet her father, to her house, to her own house, to meet her father. So now after some time, now here she will be coming to perform Surya Puja, that with all her gopis. That time you can take her darshan. Then Krishna was very happy, and he was sitting under the Kadamba tree. After some time, when Subala was sitting with Krishna there in the same place, it is called Dhangat, in the same place Radharani and other Sakhis were coming. And when Srimati Radharani saw that her beloved Krishna was sitting under that Kadamba tree, she told to her Sakhis, "Oh Sakhis, let us go by another way." Then all the gopis asked, "Why? This way is so easy for us. Every time we go through this way only. Why today you have to go through other way?" Then Srimati Radharani said, "You see that mischievous boy is sitting. If we will go through that way, then Sri Hari he will stop us by going through that way. He will do something, so we cannot pass through that way. He will not let us go. So let us go through another way." Then Lalita said, "Don't worry, my dear Sakhi. We will go through that way, and I will just see how I will defeat Krishna." Then all the gopis very happily they were going there, and when Krishna saw that all the gopis are approaching, he immediately jumped in front of them, and he said that, "Who are you? Where are you going? And what is the purpose for you going through this way?" Then everybody said that, "Who are you? We every time we go to this way, we want to perform Surya Puja." Then Krishna said that, "I am sent by King Kandarpa to collect tax from whoever goes from by this way. Don't be so proud. I am speaking with you gently. You must pay, otherwise punishment is inevitable." Then the gopis said that, "Who are you to collect tax from us? If you will do so much mischief, then we will tell everybody in Vrindavan that this Krishna is doing so much, so he doesn't even stop his mischiefs." Then Krishna said that, "You cannot complain this time, because this time I am being really, don't believe me, that this time really King Kandarpa has sent me, that whoever passes through these ways, I am in charge of collecting the tax." Then the gopis said that, "Okay, it's okay. If you are anyways, you will forgive our Srimati Radharani and our gopis. We are helpless. We cannot do anything. What tax shall we give?" Then Krishna said that, "You all are very happy to see me punished before the king. so you are not giving the tax. You have to give the tax, otherwise I will not I will not let you go through this way. Then Vishaka said, oh Lalita, why are you so worrying? Oh Srimati Radharani, why are you so worrying? And she turned towards Krishna and she said that, you are just the servant of King Kandarpa, right? You know what King Kandarpa, when he heard when Srimati Radharani will glance on King Kandarpa, he will get frightened and he will run away. And when we will tell the name of Srimati Radharani, as soon as he will hear the name of our queen, and then he will run away, he will get scared. And you are just a servant of that king. What you can do to us? This all places, this whole Vrindavan is the queen of this whole Vrindavan is our dear Srimati Radharani. And we are with Srimati Radharani, so you cannot do anything with us. Oh gopis, don't waste time with these people. Just go. We will just go. And listening to Vishaka and everybody just ignored Krishna and just went away. And then Krishna said, oh Lalita, don't go. Oh Vishaka, don't go away. Please tell your Srimati Radharani to give back my the jewel of my mind. She has stolen my Manna Ratna, the jewel of my mind. Please give me. Then all the gopis said that, oh, so much lie, you tell so much lies. You have stolen all the minds of all the young girls in Vrindavan, and everybody has to face so much troubles because of you, and everybody are just searching for you, and you are sitting here troubling everybody. And you are telling that our dear Srimati Radharani has stolen your mind. Don't tell lies. Then Krishna said, you don't believe me? Then I will show you. But ignoring Krishna, all the gopis went away. This place is called Dangad because here Krishna collected tax from all the gopis. Hare Krishna.